Recently we heard about Andhra Pradesh electricity regulator rejects uniform power tariff proposal. So in this presentation we will discuss about what is the smart power tariff proposed by Andhra Pradesh Eastern Power Distribution Company Limited and why it is rejected by Andhra Pradesh State Electricity Regulation Commission. So let's go through the slides. APSERC Chairman Justice C.V. Nagarjun Reddy announced the rejection of this proposal on the occasion of releasing the new electricity tariff for the 2021-22 fiscal. Smart power tariff, a union. So, what is smart power tariff? Smart power tariff is a uniform electricity tariff method proposed by the Visakhapatnam based Eastern Power Distribution Company Limited. The smart power tariff scheme was meant to bring all 8,511 apartments and its electricity services under a single umbrella by fixing the uniform and single electricity charge at Rs 595 5.95 per unit instead of categorizing tariff in terms of unit consumed. So why the commission rejected the smart proposal? The proposed uniform rate of Rs 5.95 per unit is higher than the average electricity charge the DISCOM currently collects from apartment dwellers, which is 4.4 per unit. For example, as per the existing tariff, a person pay Rs 8,170 for 1000 units of electricity. Under the proposed smart power tariff scheme, the same person would pay 5,950, thus saving Rs 2,220 rupees. However, if person consumes 100 units of electricity, they currently pay Rs 260 as tariff. If the smart power tariff system were to be implemented, this consumer would have had to pay Rs 595. So there is a difference of 1.55 per unit. This may give a wrong signal to people that the government has increased power tariff for apartment residents which is nearly 80 to 90% of which are middle and upper middle class. And so there is a current tariff shown for 50 units and for 100, 300, 400, 500 and 800, 900 and 1000 units. So for this different rates are available. In smart power tariff scheme proposed a uniform rate of 5.95 per unit and the current average rate per unit comes to 4.4. So it more cost to the consumer which consumes nearly 100 units, and so this smart tariff scheme is rejected by the APSERC, Andhra Pradesh State Electricity Regulatory Commission. Thank you.